Charvonia Design Tie-Down Anchors are designed and made in the USA from billet aluminum and provide a stronger, more useful, and better looking option to the basic factory supplied tie-down anchors. They come in a variety of colors and options for various models. In this video, we'll be working on this 2022 Ford Ranger. Tools needed for this install are a ratchet or impact, a T40 Torx bit, and an H6 hex bit. We will be installing the powder coat red option, and each pair of tie-downs comes with all the necessary hardware. Start by removing the factory anchors using the T40 Torx bit. Next, install the Charvonia Design Tie-Down Anchor using the provided bolts and a 6mm hex bit. You can use anti-seize or similar and torque to 20 foot-pounds. Here's an example of how tie-down strap hooks can be used with the patented center slot system. This process can be repeated for the other locations in the bed, noting that the middle location may require a tap and die set to thread the holes. For this truck, we opted to use all 6 locations with the powder-coated red tie-downs. For a full list of all of our products, visit BilletTie-Downs.com. Thank you for watching.